Alright then, we're just taking a quick look at Byte then on the daily time frame. As we can see, this is really starting to gear up. So juicy, isn't it? Obviously the recent market correction for Bitcoin has seen Byte essentially come down and retrace and just perfectly retest that previous swing high resistance as support, as you can see, and getting a bounce in that area now. Really, Byte has been doing this over and over and over, hasn't it? You can see these resistance lines that I've drawn in just continuously being created and then broken, and then we're coming up and making a new swing high. But overall, the price action for Byte, it's really looking absolutely fantastic, isn't it? Overall, the price action is just wow. I mean, look at this. This chart is just super good. I love it when meme coins make loads of structure like this, because it usually means that they're going to absolutely explode in the future. Obviously, meme coins, they usually launch and have a huge parabolic move followed by a massive dump, and the chart's all over the place. But you can see for Byte, we obviously had the launch here. We had a very decent launch, obviously. I'm not saying that we didn't. We come up here and we're up, you know, a massive 50x or something off the launch price. We come down, we come up, we come down, we form our coil, and then we break, back test our level, we come up, and then we come down again. We're forming this structural support trend line, aren't we? If you look on the hourly time frame, you can see this in more granular detail. Let me stick this on auto so you can see better. This chart is just beautiful, isn't it? Absolutely beautiful channel uptrend. So you can see you obviously come up, you come down, you come up. We form our kind of, you know, you would say range really. But then you come down again, and then we formed our support trend line, haven't we? We come up again, we break through that resistance here. Lovely continuation. We come up, we make our, basically our channel high resistance as well. We come up, we test it again, and then obviously we go under a little bit of pressure here. Byte comes all the way down to around 1,000 in terms of whatever this is. 1,000, a 100,000th of a dollar, a 10,000th of a cent, something like that. Anyway, we come down, we get back test into the previous good level of structure. We break out. We have this lovely run all the way up to around almost just over 6,000 there. Retrace all the way down to around 2,500, back testing into that previous level. Lovely. And now we're at resistance again today. As you can see, this is the Poloniex chart, so the volume is pretty whack in terms of the candlestick volume. But you can see I like to have these charts against USDT, so it's easier for people to read. But you can see here, obviously, got our resistance, and we're at resistance again. Probably expecting this to break out soon, with Bitcoin looking like it's imminently about to move upwards. Obviously, once we see that, we're probably going to see Byte come up and make a new swing high again. You can see up here I've got my target for the bull market, anywhere from around that ½ cent level up to around 1 cent. I think is a very conceivable target for Byte. From the current price, that's a lovely juicy 16,000%. But it's not that ridiculous when you look. This is a chart that I also posted on Twitter. Make sure that you go and check it out. But you can see from this low here, let me get the magnet actually. From this low here to the high, we're looking at around 14,000, 15,000%. So from this current price up to here, 14,000% is just under my target at around ½ cent. Very achievable. And the market cap being around, you know, what is it, 30, 40 million right now? Super achievable. This is around 100x, isn't it? From the current price. So it'd take us up to around, you know, $3, $4, $5 billion market cap. When you think Pepe is at like 5 billion, that's going to be up at like 20, 30, 40, 50 billion this market. With Dog with Hat's probably going to be 20, 30, 40, 50 billion. You just don't, these memes can fly, can't they? They can absolutely fly. And I have got a very decent bag of this, because you have to play the game with these markets. The narrative is there. The fundamentals are the narrative for meme coins. The AI, Dog, Byte, the narrative is right there for me. So this market structure, it's looking super bullish to me. I think when we get into the meme coin season in full in the bull market, if this blows out the top of its resistance here and continues up like this, we could easily see ourselves getting up into these prices, in my opinion. Right now we're chilling, looking very good. Let's see what we can do. As always, like and subscribe, leave a comment. I'll catch you in the next one. Cheers.